Did you feel that this was a close call? Less than 2,000 votes. You are in the government. How was the election result?
If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, very, I should say, great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing. And therefore, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the 3 seats and the results, in all the 3 seats, the MDA candidates have won. So it's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing.
How do you feel turned it around for the NPP, given that it was a very high-profile campaigning by both the Congress and your party as well?
Absolutely, but as I said, the main impact that has been there is the people have felt the development work. The grassroots people have realized that the difference that this NPP-led government has made at the grassroots level, and therefore the people's perception has been very positive about this government, and that's why so that's been the turning point. No matter how many campaigns and big meetings you have, it is ultimately the individual vote that matters, and only when you're able to touch the lives of the people and make a difference in their lives, then only they'll be able to, or they will vote. So therefore, this is a clear mandate that people have given. If you look across the 3 constituencies, it's a clear mandate for the government. A concern in this aspect, but as you can see in this election, both the Hill and the Plain votes, we have been able to garner sufficient votes from both Hill as well as the Plain.
So, and the last question to the candidates, to the possible candidate, you got 1.5 years or so of tenure. What can you do for Rajabala? What are the people expecting? I mean, what is your views when it comes to development?
I will work for the Rajabala peoples. After 1.5 years only, you can ask me what I have done. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Chalo. Thank you. Yeah. Possible, bhai? Thank you so much. Mama. Hey. Oh, the cherry counting only, but it's minimum.